Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment method in Moonpay. Remember, you must need to use that payment method first to buy a cryptocurrency in Moonpay. When you made a transaction in Moonpay with that payment method first, then Moonpay will save that payment method to your account, or your account will be added to your Moonpay account as a payment method. You can make transaction in Moonpay with your bank card and bank transfer. These two method is only two method that available in Moonpay account. Then you must need to enter the credentials. Like if you choose bank card, then you have to enter the card details like the card holder name, the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number. After that, you have to confirm that you are purchasing or you are making a transaction with your debit card or credit card. Then if you want to go with the bank transfer, then you have to search for the bank that are available on Moonpay, then select the bank that you have account in, and then you just need to enter some personal details. Then you have to enter your account number. Then after using all of them for the first time transaction in Moonpay, the payment method will be saved in Moonpay as a payment method. Then you can use it for further withdrawal or any buy or sell transaction. That's how you can add a payment method in Moonpay. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.